In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to start your journey as a distance learning student at Albany State University. The first thing you'll notice on the homepage is a welcome message from our Executive Director, Dr. Jean-Jacques Medestin, followed by a Programs and Faculty Spotlight section that showcases one of our online programs along with a featured faculty member. Head to the About Us page. Under the Overview tab, you'll find ASURams Global's mission and vision, highlighting our commitment to accessible, high-quality education for distance learners. Next, visit the Staff tab to learn about our team members that are ready to assist you. Here you'll find contact information for the ASURams Global Administrative Office and the Distance Learning Office. You may interact with various team members throughout your matriculation, but some of your primary contacts may include academic advisors, student support specialists, the administrative assistant, and the Writing Center team. Navigate to the Distance Learning page. The Overview tab includes a welcome message from the Director of Distance Learning, Marcia Poulos. If you scroll down to find the Talk to an Advisor section, you will find that you can schedule an appointment for advising or registration. Further down, you'll also see links to important systems like the My ASU portal, Georgia View, and eCampus. These are essential tools for accessing your courses, assignments, and university resources. As an ASU student, you have access to a wide range of student services to support your success. Under the Student Services section, explore the Overview tab for quick access to resources like counseling and wellness services, tutoring, the Writing Center, library, and more. Don't forget to join our Discord community to connect with classmates, ask questions, and stay engaged with campus life. Have questions? We're here to help. Our chatbot, Goldie, along with the request info and submit issue options, are available to provide quick answers or help you submit questions. You'll also find a Contact Us section at the bottom of each page. For technical assistance, visit the Technical Support and Resources tab. Here, the Overview tab includes common issues and solutions, while the IT Help Desk Support tab offers additional tips and quick links to get the help you need. Thank you for joining us on this video tour of our new webpage. We're excited to welcome you, and we look forward to helping you achieve your academic goals as a Golden Ram.